Wow, what's that, Mandy? What are you drinking? Oh, that's milk. Is that for your breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, this is how Mandy every morning.
Not
You tell them you just cried. You just cried because you are looking for your mama that went to work. So this is Mandy's breakfast. I'm trying to feed her, but she knows already how to eat on her own. A little rice, fish, mango, and Dutch meal. And she's not done yet, Jesus. Mandy, finish that. So we can do many things, right? Finish mo na. Wow! Very good na, Mandy is fast. Okay, let's try another one, huh? I'm just feeding Mandy, but she knows already how to eat. This is very good, Mandy, and a fast eater. Right? Show them you're a fast eater, and then later we'll show them magic. From the bottom of my heart. Go. Finish. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Don't eat the spoon. Oh my, it's gonna fall. Listen up. And then, let's show them that you can eat fish. Lapu-lapu fish. Wow. Isn't that good? Thanks to Lola. Wow. OMG.
Like my Lolo's rich.
Wow. Okay, that's it for today's video.
No.
Not yet. You guys don't forget your breakfast, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, si Mandy hindi medyo nakakaintindi ng Tagalog. So, Tagalog tayo ngayon, guys.
Ito na sa
Ay!
kaya.
Yun na. You knew Tagalog? Okay, maybe next time. Muffin pusa. Okay, that's your cat. Okay, guys, that's it for this morning, for today.
Not today.
Yes.
No.